How to set video as wallpaper on iPhone. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. In here, scroll down and move into wallpaper. And then click on add new wallpaper. So in here, the very first thing you should know that it is impossible to add video as a wallpaper without any third-party application. They haven't updated any of the feature where you are able to do so, but still there's an alternative way to do it. First of all, you have to convert any of the picture or the video into the live photo. Once that's been done, click on live photos at the very top. It will show you all the list of the live photos that you have stored into your gallery. From here, choose any of the picture that you want to add. Once you have selected, you can adjust the picture. And then here you can see the live mode is still on even if you have added to the wallpaper. Once you have adjusted, tap on add at the very top right corner of the screen. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is how you can set video as a wallpaper on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.